Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So it's Tuesday, and when I get to putting some POR-15 on this frame, I would do a little bit of light brushing with the stainless steel brush, and then we're gonna goop this stuff on here. So let's get to it. See you in a minute. Oh yeah, you can also see. Look at this. Look what the phosphoric acid did. I put it on the drum because it was all nasty. Look what it did to like the shackle mounts and the leaf spring. You can see, you know, I did from about here all the way to kind of down over there. It did a pretty good job, and I even did like over the axle right here, just kind of everywhere that I could. So yeah, this is definitely, I will definitely take more of this and just spray everywhere that I can find with this stuff. You know, we'll scrub it with a brush and spray it. So it should last a while. Uh-oh, look who it is. It's Trevor. Hopefully he doesn't back over me. I'm hoping. No. Nope. Pull forwards. Go forwards. All right. Well, I need some gloves out of there anyways, so hang on a second. All right, everybody, we got our POR-15. Let's get this cracked open. Like I said, I got one of these guys to pour whatever's paint left over into here. That, because, you know, people say you'll never get this lid off again. It's got to make sure that we don't drip it all around the threads. Okay, so that's open. And then let's get to wire wheeling this. And nothing's coming off of this now. Pretty tough coating. I like it. We're gonna have to do this to the rest of the frame. You know, I was looking at this plate that we're gonna have to put on, and it looks like it ends kind of right here-ish. Yeah, but I was looking at, like, what about these little plastic clips? Like, there's one here, there's one here, and then there's one here. I guess, you know, we'll just have to pop them out. We'll have to do something. I don't know, you know. I guess I could try to mark it and just drill the plate around here. I just don't want to introduce any more holes. We'll figure it out, whatever that takes. I don't know. Zip tie this shit up here somewhere, somehow, some way, something. So let's get to scraping. All right, we'll go to a time lapse, and I'll come back when I'm kind of done with the first coat. Just hear that as like a fucking squirrel or something. It's so weird. Listen to this guy. I never knew it was a squirrel making those noises. He ain't too happy. I don't know what is. You guys tell me what why is it doing that? It's weird. All right, let's finish this up. Tried to help the Amazon guy get into the building, and then my code wouldn't work. It's like, no. All right, I'm almost finished here. I'm just gonna finish up that little last bit in the corner, and then I'll bring you guys back after the second coat. All right, everybody. So apparently this stuff dries in 2 to 6 hours. So, well, for you to put the second coat on. So looks like I might have to, I got one coat on. We'll see how it is. It says apply 2 coats, but I'm not sure gonna go that far. Should have read the directions better. But yeah, you can come back and sandpaper it with 320 grit, and you can paint over it again. But I think we're gonna go with this for now, and then like I said, we'll order up that bracket, and I think we're just gonna get the regular bracket, not the one that's got the weld on top and the bottom. So, but yeah, I'll probably check back tomorrow and make sure this thing's totally dry. It's still 60 degrees outside, so sun's going down. I don't know what time the sun goes down here, but I'm sure it'll be good enough. So, you know, I did all the prep and everything. This is just I just didn't want, you know, anything getting behind there when we put that plate on. So, all right, guys. We'll see you in the next one, and we got a couple more videos that I got to edit and put out, so we'll see you then. Easy.